Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking flavor early. Render shells into a quick stock because shells add natural umami and depth. Once the oil is hot, sauté onion and ground pepper to bloom aromatics. This builds the soup's backbone. Make sure to add diced tomato to deglaze. The acid balances richness. Meanwhile, slice okro thinly so it melts into the broth later. You're setting textures and taste now. Do these first steps briskly to trap freshness and ensure the crab stays sweet. Once the stock is simmering, add the crab and smoked fish so they poach gently. This preserves crab texture and infuses seafood flavor. Make sure to taste for salt before adding seasoning cubes. You can always adjust. Pour in palm oil and simmer covered for 8–10 minutes. This melds fat with stock and carries spices. Add okro toward the end so it thickens without going gluey. Stirring occasionally controls viscosity. You're managing temperature and timing to keep the soup glossy and You finish by folding in chopped greens and crayfish for aroma, then a lime squeeze to lift flavors. Acid brightens, and greens add color. Make sure you simmer only 2–3 minutes after adding okro and crab to avoid rubbery shellfish. Once done, adjust thickness with hot stock if it's too heavy, or reduce heat and add a splash of acid if it's overly slimy. Acid and cooling break excessive mucilage. Serve hot with starch. Enjoy the balance of sweet crab and tangy broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.